Is it possible to be profitable in trading with just one simple rule? The video by DataTrader says yes, and it claims a staggering 65% win rate with a beginner-friendly strategy. Today, we're putting that claim to the ultimate test. I'm going to backtest this so-called easiest strategy and see if it's the real deal or just another YouTube myth. Let's get right into it. First, we open up TradingView, and the core of it is just one indicator, the 50 EMA Exponential Moving Average. For those of you who don't know, it's a line on the chart that shows the average price of an asset over the last 50 periods. The setup is super straightforward. All you need is your price chart and the 50 EMA. Take the one from TradingView and set the length to 50. For the stop loss, we use an additional indicator, the chandelier stop by Pip Charlie. Here you can leave the default settings. The setup is super straightforward. All you need is your price chart. And the 50 IMA. We're looking for a scenario where the price is trading below the 50 IMA. Like in this example, the first step is complete when the price breaks above the 50 EMA and a candle closes above it. After the breakout, we wait for a pullback. But be careful, it's only a valid pullback if we see at least 2 consecutive red candles coming back down. As soon as that happens, we draw a horizontal line at the swing high, the highest point before the pullback began. Then we wait for the price to break back above that horizontal line. The key is that the body of the candle needs to close above the line. When that happens, that's our buy entry. Also, really important for this breakout to be valid is that the price must not close below the 50 EMA during the pullback. Here's another example. Again, the price was trading below the 50 IMA. We waited for the breakout above it. After that, we needed the 2 red pullback candles to confirm the move was healthy. Once they appeared, we marked the swing high and waited for the price to break and close above that line. The same strategy works in reverse for short trades. We look for a chart where the price is trading above the 50 IMA. Then we wait for the IMPs to break below the 50 IMA and a candle to close below it. After that, we look for a pullback of at least 2 consecutive green candles. We draw our horizontal line at the swing low, and when the price breaks below that line, we take a short entry. So let's start with the 100 trades. Before we get into the backtest results, there are a few insights I discovered during testing that are worth sharing. The creator of this strategy mentioned that you shouldn't take trades if the breakout candle is too large. Like in this example, basically, if the move has already gone too far, but interestingly, in my backtests, I found the opposite to be true. Those trades didn't perform worse. In fact, they often turned out slightly better overall. But now to the results. And after 100 backtested trades, here are the final results. We got another beautiful looking performance chart. We ended up with a total profit of 130%. The win rate came in at 55%. So not the promised 65%, but still very good for a risk to reward with 1 to 2. With a maximum drawdown of only 10%, the strategy managed to stay quite stable throughout the test period. We had 53 winning trades and 44 losses over the span of 2 years and on 3 different securities, Ethereum, Eurodollar, and Euro Pound. The only downside of the strategy is that it took quite a long time to generate those 100 trades. But overall, I really liked how consistent and well-balanced the results were. It proved to be both profitable and reliable over time, and to be a great, simple starting strategy. And here are the final results, compared to all the other strategies we've tested so far. The EMA strategy comes in first place, outperforming both the 1-minute scalping setup and the oscillator strategy. However, I wasn't able to calculate an exact average return since the results varied a lot across the different assets. But it was personally my favorite strategy so far. Let me know in the comments which strategy you want me to test next. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more real backtests like this one.